front of the seats today. Yay! So let's go ahead and take a look at the lobby. We want to give you guys a quick tour since we're doing a room tour as well. So let's go check it out. And welcome to the Intercontinental in Miami. We're going to give you a room tour of room 2618. This is a partial bayside view. So come on in and let's have a look. So as you enter the room, you enter into a little hallway here. As you come on down the hallway, you will see here on the right hand side, you have a little mini bar with a coffee maker. You've got coffee pods, decaf pods, tea, creamers, etc. So if you are a coffee drinker, you will enjoy having this. You got an ice bucket here as well. And then you've got an assortment of snacks to choose from. Now these are an upcharge, so beware of that. We looked up the almonds, I think they were like $14. So hey, if you're willing to pay that for your late night snack, they're there for you. As we look down here, let's open this up. We've got some shelf space, a couple glasses for water, other drinks, etc. Little mini bar with some alcoholic beverages, orange juice. So those are an upcharge as well, just beware of that. And here we have a mini fridge. So you can keep any beverages cool, sodas, waters, or anything else you need to. You have that option. Okay, we'll close this up. As we come around the corner into the room here, you will see that we have a large bed, king size. We've got two nightstands. Each has their own lamp, and each one has a drawer with storage in it. So if anything you need to put in there, you can. Here are your controls for the AC and for the heat as well. So most likely thinking you'll need the AC here in Miami, but hey, you never know. As we come around the corner to the second nightstand here, you have a phone as well. Another drawer for storage. And then you have something really cool over here by the bed. The curtain controls. So there is a sheer option and a blackout option. So if you're laying in bed and you're like, oh man, I'm so comfortable, but I forgot to close the curtains, you don't have to get up and do that. Or if you're waking up in the morning and you want to see the sun come up, but like I said, you're comfy in bed and don't want to get up and do that, you just have it at the touch of your fingers right here. So let's test it out. Let's do, what should we do? Sheer? Let's do that. So push that, push the down button. And there you go, easy as that. And then to raise it up, you would just press the up arrow. And it's back up again. And of course the blackout feature will block the sun out completely if you want. Let's come around the corner here, you have an L-shaped couch, so super nice for relaxing, putting your purse down, whatever. Here is our large window. You've got a partial bayside view and then a view of these condos here. I'm not quite sure what complex that is next to us. But there you can see the bay, and down below the pool, you got some green space down there. It is quite windy down there today. Just come around the corner here, you have a table. So if you need to get any work done or eat dinner, whatnot, then you have that there for that. Over here we have the TV, nice size TV. You got some more storage. I think you've got 6 drawers over here and a couple shelves, so you can put your clothes, whatnot there. As we come back down the hallway, this is my favorite room, the bathroom. So when you first enter, you have some nice closet space to store all your luggage, and you got a safe as well to keep any valuables. Looks like we got an iron as well too, and an ironing board. And plus side, the doors have a mirror. Here we have a vanity. So you've got your towels, your lighted mirror. For ladies, you got your makeup mirror that pulls out from the wall. So that is super nice. Looks like it comes with some hand wash, body lotions, so you don't have to pack those. Also got a little more storage here as well. So turn to my right over here, got some more shelf space, towel slippers, and then the shower. The shower is absolutely gorgeous, love the color scheme. For reference, I am 5'3", so I fit in here nicely, so anybody who is taller should fit just fine. And then if you don't want to take a shower, you have an option for the bath. Got your toilet here as well. And that kind of concludes the bathroom, but it is super nice, and I will say it is extremely clean, which is great.